Greetings, everyone out there. It's yours truly and Mrs. Yours truly. Once again, you know how we do. First of all, before I say which documentary this is, check this out. I mean, check it out. No, hold on. Rewind. First and foremost, check this out. Mrs. Ugochi. Once again. Yeah, check that scene out. Yeah, that's my own tropical island right there. I know
that's right, baby. I know that's right.
As I was saying, let me show you guys something real quick. Check this out right here. You know, I'm sure the vast majority of you guys out there have some type of cellular device that has some, let's just say, smartphone capabilities. And at times, your battery tends to get low and eventually gets depleted. You know, similar to our own human cells, we tend to get low, and unfortunately some of us get, you know, depleted. So guess where we are? We on that charger, baby. We are on that charger. We are on all fours. All 4 bars and then some. 100%. Still going strong. That's right. Thank you, Lord, for that. Still going strong. I want to give a special shout out to Jewel Paradise Cove by way of Hilton Resorts. Special shout out to them. Also, special shout out to Southwest Airlines. First and foremost, you know, God got us here safe. You know, they were just the means of transportation. Let me just be clear, you know, about that. You know, and a special shout out, you know, goes to, you know, him as well. And if, in case y'all didn't know who he is, look what he does. That's what he does. So that to just give you an idea of who he is, look at what he does. And on that note, we are signing off. Alrighty.